Hi, hello everyone. In before videos, I explained about the introduction of the sets, and also explained one of the video is for NTSC. So what is the NTSC? What is the pattern of NTSC? What is the eligibility? Everything I was given in the before video. So you can see that video about NTSC. Now in this video, I am explaining about some of the problems on sets. Okay. Now, this is the question number 1. If n of a is equal to 50, n of b is equal to 20 and n of a intersection b is equal to 10, then find these of the problems. Now, come to the solution. Roman 1, n of a minus b. You have to find out n of a minus b. So, n of a minus b is equal to n of a minus n of a intersection b. So in before videos all formulas I was given. Now here what is n of a? 50 minus what is n of a intersection b? 10. So this is equal to 40. Now come to the second Roman 2. N of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Now what is n of a? N of a is 50. So n of b is equal to 20 minus n of a intersection b is 10. So 50 plus 20 70, 70 minus 10 60. Now come to the Roman 3. N of a delta b. N of a delta b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus 2 into n of a intersection b. Okay. Now n of a, what is n of a? 50 plus n of b is 20 minus 2 into n of a intersection b is 10. So this is equal to 50 plus 20 minus 20. That is equal to 50. That's all. These are the problems which are you may get in the NTSC exam. Question number 2. If n of u is equal to 700, n of a is equal to 200, n of b is equal to 300, n of a intersection b is equal to 100, then so n of a dash intersection b dash is equal to, they are given 4 options. Which one we can check? Solution. Come to the solution. So we have to find out n of a dash intersection b dash, and a complement. Dash means complement. This is nothing but n of a union b whole dash. So this you can write n of mu r u minus n of a union b. Okay. So n of mu means 700. So n of a union b you have to find out first. So n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Now what is n of a? 200. N of b 300 minus n of a intersection b 100. This is nothing but 200 plus 300, 500 minus 100, 400. Now you can substitute this in this. So n of a dash intersection b dash is equal to, directly I am writing n of u minus n of a union b. So what is n of u? 700 minus n of a union b. N of a union, what we got? 400. So 700 minus 400, 300. So the option is C. NTSC model question number 3. In this you have to find out a delta b. So already I given a delta b is equal to a minus b union b minus a. That we have to find out. First of all, we can take the set A and set B. So come to the solution. So what is set A is given, x is such that x is equal to 2 power n minus 1, n is less than or equal to 5, n is belongs to natural numbers. So now the n is less than or equal to 5 means what you will get? Natural numbers start with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will get the 5 numbers. Okay. Now you can substitute instead of n 1, 2, 3 like this. So we can write the set A. Suppose directly I am writing, if n is equal to 1, 2 power 1 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1. You will get 1. Now n is equal to 2. 2 square means 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Now n is equal to 3 and 8 minus 1, 7. Now n is equal to 4. 2 power 4, 16. 16 minus 1, 15. So n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5 means 2 power 5 is 32. 32 minus 1, 31. This is the set A. Okay. Set B they are given directly. What is the set B is given? Set B is given 2, 4, 8, 16. So already told A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. We have to find out first A minus B. So what is the A minus B? What is the A minus B? You can write the set A 1, 3, 7, 15, 31 minus what is B? 2, 4, 8, 16. Now what is the, how to find out A minus B? So A minus B means in the both the sets, whatever the common elements we have, that you have to remove. Remaining elements in A that you have to write. That is nothing but A minus B. What are the common elements in both? There is no common elements in both, we can observe. Okay. Now, so there is no common elements in both the sets. The remaining elements in A. Remaining elements in A means these all you will get. Therefore, you will get what? You will get A minus B, set 1, 3, 7, 15, 31. Okay. Now come to B minus A. So B minus A is equal to, you have to write first B 2, 4, 8, 16 minus what is A? 1, 3, 7, 15, 31. Now as per our definition of A minus B, B minus A, so here again there is no common elements in both. The remaining elements in first set. What is the first set here? B. That you have to write. So this is nothing but 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. Now A delta B you have to find out. A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. Now, so this is equal to, what is A minus B we got? This set 1, 3, 7, 15, 31. Union, what is B minus A? 2, 4, 8, 16. Already we know the union means you have to combine, write all the elements in A and B. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 15, 16, 31. All the elements you will get in the union. Now what is the answer in this? Where we have in this? Here B is the correct option. So A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. So these are the problems which will come into the NTSC. So you have to carefully observe and you have to learn the first concept, then you can do very easily. Okay. So for NTSC it's very useful problems, so follow that. Thank you.